Most economists, not that they're always right, but most economists are predicting there's going to be a recession. Part of the reason for that is you have very high inflation. And so the way the Federal Reserve handles inflation is they raise interest rates. When they raise interest rates, people are less likely to be investing. Companies don't do as well because now it costs them more to get financing for expansion. People may not buy properties as much, all these kinds of things, and the economy tends to contract whenever there's a recession. Companies start laying people off. When people get laid off, it makes it harder for them to pay their mortgages. Whenever there is a contraction in the economy, it affects your retirement account. And then whenever there's a recession in America, you start to see it trickling other places because there's goods we import from other countries. Well, if jobs are not, people aren't working as much, and the job market is shrinking because people are being laid off, then we're not importing as many stuff and buying more stuff from other places. So as a result, that's what ends up happening. What it means for you and your retirement account is as you start to see that more and more, you start to see more downturns in the market where most people have their retirement accounts invested.